Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A3 device. So let's take a look. Somehow or some cases you might be want to take a screenshot in different area, like it might be in your phone or it might be in any other social network. So in this video I will share with you by step how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A3 device. In order to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A3 device, there is no need any third-party additional software. You can just simply press your power button and in your home button long press, and it will take a screenshot and you will hear a sound. Anywhere, it might be any places, it may be any social network or any places. Like I would like to take a screenshot in this screen, so I will press the power button and the home screen button long press, and it will take a screenshot, and you can see it from here anytime, and you can edit it, you can share it anywhere. So this is how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A3 device. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.